Hello, my name is Dimacale. I'd like to introduce you to what I know to be the #1 project in the world for entrepreneurs, for business owners, for independent contractors, for seasoned sales professionals, and also for individuals in the home-based business arena. I've been involved in this project for over 3 years now. Actually, no matter what your background is or what career you have right now, it's the #1 project for anyone looking to control their income, control their time, or maybe looking for a spectacular biz op. Now, when I say I fell into this by accident, actually, I took a look at it to help a friend out, to do a favor for a friend. And it wasn't something that I really wanted to do because I thought it was one of these Noni Juice, Zango, Melaleuca, Herbalife programs. I have no problem with it. As a matter of fact, some of my good friends are involved with companies like that. Some of the top earners in some of the biggest companies out there are neighbors of mine. So I have no problem with it. It just wasn't something that I wanted to do. But as I've learned a long time ago, successful people always check things out. They don't go by rumors. They look at angles from different directions, and especially they don't prejudge. I'm glad I learned that early in my career because I've been involved for 3 years. It is the best project that I've done in over 30 years of sales, marketing, and owning businesses. Now, let me ask you something, okay? Are you looking for a positive change? Are you truly looking for a positive change? Are you searching for a spectacular project combined with sensational incomes? Are you looking for more time or at least control of more of your time? Do you like helping people, right? Do you really want to make this year your best year ever? Now, here are the final questions. Are you willing to seriously take a look at it? Are you willing to learn, and are you ready now? Okay. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the company. First of all, the company is a 37-year-old original equipment manufacturer based in Osaka. So this is an international company. This is a billion-dollar company, by the way. This is not small. They've been in business a long time. They're very, very well established. When I say OEM, original equipment manufacturer, that means the company does all the research and development, the manufacturing. They do all the sales, service, warranty, financing, shipping. They do everything themselves. They bridged into the US market back in 2003. And for the first 5 years, 6 years, they were opening up their centers. In other words, they were putting together their foundation. Now, during the past 3 years that I've been involved, aside from being open in Canada, okay, they also opened up in the UK, Germany, Italy, France. Last year, they opened up in Australia and in the Philippines. In the next few months, they're opening up in South Korea. Now, they do have satellite branches and large offices in Mexico, Canada, and throughout Asia. Now, as far as the products, they manufacture products that are related in the health and wellness industry, okay? Now, I'm not talking about pills, potions, powders, mixed things. There's nothing like that, right? However, it is in the health and wellness industry. As a matter of fact, the products that they manufacture are used in over 100 of the top hospitals in Asia. They're used in thousands of residential and commercial properties. Right? And the great thing about their products is, one, everybody knows about the product, which means there's no explaining for some of our marketing agents. Two, everybody in the world uses the products daily, so there's no selling. Three, most people are already overpaying for the product. So, there's no asking anyone to buy anything. Now, I'm not going to get into the products that much because if you do decide to check this out, you're going to be trying the products out for free for as long as you want. So I'll leave it at that. Let me talk about the next thing, which is the compensation package. Most people looking always, they're always interested in how much can I earn or what are the potential. First of all, this is a direct sales program. It's not one of your multi-level pyramid exponential growth programs. If you take a look at it, you can see the two marketing structures are completely different. This is direct sales. We earn money three ways: commissions, overrides, and bonuses. That's it. You know, without going over the compensation package, I can tell you this. In my first year with a company, I personally worked with 32 people. 16, that's half of them, 16 of the 32 made close to six-figure income. Today, last year, I worked with 52 people. 31 of them earned over six figures. I mean, that's phenomenal. I've never seen anything like that before. All right, now, as far as the program, we are right now on a major expansion phase. We're basically looking for individuals who are serious about a career move, or maybe looking for a large income base that can replace their already existing incomes. Or maybe you're a business person. You're looking for that perfect business, or maybe you want to start a home-based business where you have freedom of time, but connected with large income potentials, okay? So also we're looking for individuals who want to be part of an exploding industry, and it's exploding globally, all right? What's your next step? Well, first of all, you want to call and set a time for a career orientation. That's the first thing. Next, you want to take a look at a project overview. You're definitely going to try out some of the product because you want to experience the product. Documentation always beats conversation. After that, you know, if you can, you want to attend an executive luncheon. By the way, there's no cost to anything I'm telling you. Everything is free. The executive luncheon shows you the project. Also, you get a real nice luncheon with a lot of professionals in the room, a lot of doctors, as a matter of fact. The last thing, if you're able to, we want you to take a look at a corporate tour. If you're in the LA area or the New York or Chicago area, or maybe Seattle or Dallas or Florida area, you'll be able to take a look at some of the satellite branches. But those are the things that we want you to see, okay? So what we want you to do is get back to the number that was on the advertisement, okay? Maybe send an email email your resume in to the email address there, right? What's going to happen is somebody's going to either contact you, or if you contact that number, somebody's going to answer it strictly to set up an interview time for you, okay? Now, do me a favor. Don't be asking this lady for questions or anything like that. This is a service that we have that all they do is they set up appointments so that you can take a look at the project. You'll be able to ask questions. You'll be able to test the product. You'll be able to bring home brochures, DVDs, all the things that the company produces, all right? But the main thing is check it out. Finally, I want to leave you with this one thought. What if this is the perfect project for you that changes everything for you and you don't check it out? Check it out. What do you have to lose? When you set up a time for the interview, hopefully I'll be the person that you'll be meeting over there. Anyway, again, my name is Daniel Dimacale. I hope to see you at a future date. Thanks.